Struggling to stay cool in your RAV4? We've got answers. Hey there, RAV4 owners. If your air conditioner isn't working, you're not alone. Let's dive into some common issues and easy solutions. First up, check your AC settings. Make sure it's on the right mode and temperature. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Next, take a look at your cabin air filter. A dirty filter can block airflow and reduce cooling. Replacing it is a quick fix. Still not cool? It might be low refrigerant. If your AC is hissing or not cooling well, have a professional check the refrigerant levels. It's safer and more efficient. Don't forget the AC compressor. If it's not working, your AC won't either. Listen for unusual noises when you turn on the AC. If you hear clicks or clunks, it might need a checkup. Lastly, inspect the condenser. Located at the front of the car, it can get clogged with dirt and debris. Keep it clean to ensure proper cooling, and there you have it. Simple steps to troubleshoot your RAV4's AC. Stay cool and drive safe.